Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. This is Samir Sardana and we are discussing 100 quant questions that you must do before SNAP exam, and the topic we are covering is profit and loss. So this is the fourth session on profit and loss. Let's have a look at question number 11 and 12. So these are the two questions that we will be discussing in this part. Let's start. So guys, here is the next question on profit and loss, question number 11. So one, two, three, all these questions have been covered in the previous session. I'll be discussing question number 11 in this video. Okay, so these are the 10 questions that we have covered. So here is a question number 11. It says, the shopkeeper was selling his goods at 40% profit. When he allowed a discount of 20%, his sales improved in the ratio of 3:8. Find the ratio of his original profit to the new profit. See that? Uh, The meaning of this statement that his sales improved in the ratio of 3:8 means earlier if he was selling the goods worth 300 rupees, now he's selling the goods worth 800 rupees, right? That means if he was selling the goods with cost price of 300 rupees earlier, now because of the discount, because when he started giving a discount of 20%, his sales improved in the ratio of 3:8. That means he is now selling the goods whose cost price are 800. Now, when he was not giving a discount, he was selling the product at 40% profit. So that means normally your selling price is 140% of your cost price. And when you start giving a discount of 20% on this selling price, that means you start selling the goods at 80% of the previous price. A 20% discount means you are charging 20% less now. If you're charging 20% less now, that means you are charging 80% of the previous price. That means now after giving a discount, the selling price is 112% of the cost price. So without discount, your profit is 40%, right? This is without discount. And with discount, your profit is, as you can see, is 12%. Why 12%? Because your selling price now is 112% of the cost price. That is 12% higher than this cost price. So 12% higher than the cost price, that means you're selling the goods at 12% profit. So that means when I was selling the goods worth 300 rupees, my profit was 40%. So 40% of 300 is 120. And when I started giving a discount of 12%, I'm selling the goods worth 800 rupees, but my profit part is only 12%. 12% of 800 is 96. So in this case, my profit percentage is 12%. So what is the ratio between these two? 24 into 5 is 120, 24 into 4 is 96. So 5:4 is the answer to the question. So the ratio of his original profit to the new profit will be 5:4. Here is the next question, question number 12. It says, a trader sells 50 article at rupees 64 per article after giving 20% discount, and he gains 60% profit. If the discount is not given, then what is the profit percentage? So first important information here is a trader sells 50 article. 50 articles selling price is given to you as 64 rupees per article. After giving 12% discount, after 64 rupees per article, after giving 20% discount, and he gains 60% profit. All right. So there are two ways to solve the question. There is a method one which will give us the answer directly. You see that my selling price is being sold at 20% discount of the mark price, right? And I'm earning a profit of 60%. If I want to use these two statements, right, can I say a 60% profit means my selling price is 160% of cost price? Can I say that? There's a meaning of 60% profit, right? Now, I'm giving a discount of 20%. That means discount will be applied on the mark price. So can I say I'm selling the product at 80% of the mark price? So whatever is my mark price, I'm selling the product at 80% of the discount. At 20% discount, that means I'm selling at 80% of the mark price. And selling the goods at 60% profit, selling the goods at 160% of the cost price. Now this part is my selling price. This part is also my selling price. Both of these two values are same. This get cancelled. This will be 2 times. So can I say that the mark price of the article is 2 times of the cost price? If the mark price is 2 times of cost price, can I say is a 100% profit? If I don't give the discount that and I'm selling the goods at 2 times of the cost price, that means without giving a discount means without giving any discount means if the goods are worth C, I'm selling the product at 2C. So this tells me a profit of 100%. So this is a 100% profit, right? Now, what I'm supposed to find out is not the, I'm not supposed to find out the profit percentage. I'm supposed to find out the profit gain. That means in terms of amount, I'm supposed to answer. Now, when I'm selling the goods at 20% discount, in that case, my selling price is 64. That means, can I say that 80% of the mark price, 80% of the mark price will be my selling price. Sorry, this is without any discount. This is without any discount. So can I say that? Can I say that? Okay. A trader sells 50 article at rupees 64 per article after giving 20% discount. That's correct. That means 80% of the mark price is equal to selling price, that is 64. So therefore, you see that mark price is 80 rupees. If the mark price is 80 rupees, and my profit percentage is 100%, can I say that, can I say that 2 times of the cost price is my mark price? Right, this is something that I have already proven. I have already proved. So 2 times of cost price is 80, so cost price is 40 rupees. Now see, a 40 rupees article is being sold at 80 rupees. That's a profit of 40 rupees, right? Now I'm selling 50 articles. So one article is giving me a profit of 40. 50 articles will give me a profit of 40 into 50. That is 2000 rupees, right? That's the answer to the question, right? So amount of profit is 2000 rupees. This is a one way to solve this question. Even though it's not difficult, right? I just tried to explain it theoretically so that you get the complete concept of it, right? Now let's try to use another way to solve this question. See that a 50 article is being sold at 20% discount and the selling price is 64 rupees. So therefore, you can straight away find out the mark price of the article. The mark price of the article is 80 rupees, right? Mark price of the article is 80 rupees. And there's a profit of 60%. A profit of 60% means that that 80% of the mark price is equivalent to 160% of the cost price. So that tells me the mark price is 2 times of the cost price. So therefore, using this, cost price will be 40 rupees. That means you're selling the goods worth 40 rupees at 80 rupees without any discount. The profit is 40 on one article, right? One article profit is 40, 50 article profit is 2000 rupees. That's the answer to the question, right? So I have covered 12 questions. Considering the level of difficulty of SNAP, I guess these 12 questions are sufficient in the chapter of profit and loss. This helps you a complete idea how to approach the questions of profit and loss. Next, I'll be picking the next topic. Uh, uh, that we'll be starting with the question of simple interest and compound interest in the next part. So thank you so much for joining the session, joining the video, for watching the video. This is my referral code SMEER or YT that can help you in getting a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. You can also join my Telegram group, Target Cat 2021 by Sphere. This will give you update on all of my special classes and the videos that I will be uploading for CAT 2021 exam preparation. We have made two new features on for students who are appearing for CAT 2021. One is the iconic membership on Unacademy. Under the iconic membership, you will be assigned a mentor to help you with your exam preparation throughout the year, right? And all the benefits of Plus will be included automatically under the iconic membership. Another other MBA entrance exam preparation other than CAT, for example, if you want to go for SNAP, IFT, SAT also. So including CAT, right, under the iconic membership, you'll also be given the classes for the exams like SAT, IFT, SNAP, and other all entrance exams preparation, right? So this will be included under the iconic membership. In addition to that, right? In Iconic membership, you will be given a test analysis and the reports on the mock papers and your performances. Also, there's one more feature that has been made live on Unacademy Learning app, and that feature is Ask a Doubt. Under this feature, Ask a Doubt, you can click a question and send it across on Unacademy Learning app. Highlight the question that you want to ask, and that feature has been made live for 24 hours 7. You will be given the solution of your questions as soon as possible. But this feature is live 24 hours 7, so you can just ask it out anytime that you want to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Thank you.